Britain's underwater drone could make submarines obsolete. This UUV is set to revolutionize underwater warfare. It's going to be the size of a bus. It will be the largest uncrewed submersible in Europe. It will safeguard deep-sea cables and pipelines. Meet the Cetus, the Royal Navy's new drone submarine. The UK has experimented with autonomous underwater systems for years. Most of them are small, off-the-shelf technologies. They are chiefly used in mine hunting. Project Cetus is something different. It was announced in December 2022. The Cetus is set to enter service in 2 years. It was named after a mythical sea monster. It will be designed specifically for the Royal Navy. The Plymouth-based tech firm, Subs, is in charge. It has already cost the UK military some $18.7 million. It's also helped create 10 specialist jobs and support 70 more. The vessel will be 40 feet long. It's exactly the size of the iconic London double-decker. The drone is expected to weigh 17 tons. The Cetus will be able to cover 1,000 miles in 7 days. It will be manually controlled by an operator. It will easily fit in a shipping container. The Cetus can be shipped around the world to wherever the Navy needs it. Many countries are developing UUVs these days. The US, France, Russia, and China are just some of them. Their purposes vary. Some are used for scientific research. Some are designed for mine countermeasures. For example, the Remus is a 3-foot-long robot. It can clear a square mile of mines in 16 hours. It would take human divers 21 days to perform the same task. However, the Cetus is meant for more serious missions. It will move stealthily through the ocean.